let's talk about the interactive whiteboards at Mount St. Mary College. The projectors installed in all the classrooms, meeting rooms, and conference rooms can also be used as whiteboards or interactive boards. As a whiteboard, you can project anything onto the screen, a document, a web page, or a picture, and then mark it up using writing tools and interactive pens. Or you can also use it as a plain whiteboard, write what you want, and then save your image or print your image. As an interactive whiteboard, you can project an interactive activity, drag elements around, manipulate elements, and click on items. On campus, we have two different types of interactive whiteboards. One of them is the Smartboard brand. You could tell it's a Smartboard brand because you can't write on the white surface of the board with a regular dry erase pen. You can only project onto that board. The other type of interactive whiteboards that we have here is the Epson brand. With the Epson brand, images are projected on the regular whiteboard. There's two ways to use this equipment. The simplest way is just to use the writing tools and interactive pens to mark up whatever you're projecting. And the other way is to use the Smart Notebook software, which gives you access to interactive activities. So if you want to use the Epson projector just as a whiteboard with the interactive pens and to mark up whatever you project, on the instructor station, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner, then navigate to the Epson projector folder and click on Easy Interactive Tools. This will pop up the writing toolbar, and from there you can use the interactive pens to mark up whatever you have displayed. If it's the Smartboard that you're using and you want to use it just as a whiteboard, then go to the Start button in the bottom left corner, navigate to the Smart Technologies folder, and then click on Smart Notebook. This will open up Smart Notebook, where you need to click on the whiteboard icon, and then you're able to use the pens. If you want to project interactive activities, you must use a piece of software called Smart Notebook. This is true if you're using either the Epson or the Smartboard. In order to open up the Smart Notebook using any of those projectors, open the Smart Technologies folder and then click on the Smart Notebook. Once you have your Smart Notebook opened, there's a Gallery tab that you can click, and once that's opened, you could go to Gallery Essentials or Gallery Sampler. You can look around those two areas just to get you started. These are just two types of interactive activities that you can use. The first one, you would just drag the letters around to spell the correct word, and the second one, you would drag the name underneath the correct shape. So what should you do next? View the rest of this video series to get more details. If you want to use the interactive activities, visit the IT support desk for an ID number so that you can download Smart Notebook software to your computer. If you're going to be using an Epson projector, they will give you access to Smart Notebook 10. If you're going to be using a Smartboard, then they'll give you access to Smart Notebook 11. The other thing you can do is once you have Smart Notebook installed, you can use the Quick Start Guide, or you can go to Help and view the tutorial at a later date. Also, to get other ideas on how to put activities together using Smart Notebook, you can Google Smart Notebook. There are many sites and examples out there. There's lots of YouTube videos, and there's many colleagues who are sharing their best practices.